Cooking catastrophe. Eddie is in his kitchen, preparing for a date tonight. B knocks and enters.
Hey, Eddie. Are you ready for your date?
Oh my gosh, B! Perfect timing! I'm making my special, impressive dinner.
That's great. What are you making?
Eddie shows B a plate with pizza topped with gummy bears and chocolate sauce.
It's my specially designed creative pizza. Sweet and savory.
Eddie, that's not how cooking works.
But you told me it's good to surprise people with unexpected combinations.
I definitely never said, to put.
And you said colorful food looks fancy. Gummy bears are very colorful.
B looks horrified as Eddie adds more chocolate sauce on top.
When did I say this?
3 years ago. I wrote it all down. Look.
Eddie shows B an old notebook filled with her quotes.
Oh no. I was going through that experimental cooking phase back then.
You said unusual combinations make you memorable. So I added extra gummy bears.
Eddie, I was completely wrong about everything. Please don't serve this.
But I've been making this for every date for 3 years.
B realizes why Eddie hasn't had a second date in 3 years.
Let's order real food. I'll pay.
Only if you promise your advice is better now.
I can't promise that, but at least it won't involve gummy bears.